Okay, I think I'm about done with this. It needs a few more tweaks. Um, this is my new curtain. I'm kind of pleased with it. I got the red chair, also chair cover. Also, I think it ties it in real nice. Um, got my emblem done. I put these, like the red carpet stanchion ropes. That's what I did. I wanted it to reach all the way across, but that would have was too much. So I just cut it in half and attached these little diamond emblems on the ends of it to kind of, they're little glittery, actually cupcake toppers is what they are. And then I have my Marilyn Monroe fabric with the red lipstick. I just love this fabric. I think it ties in with my Marilyn Monroe theme. I finished my emblem. See, a piece of it's fell off. I've got a few things I need to tweak, but for the most part, this is what it looks like. I'm very happy with it. I think it's gonna be nice. I think it is. It's, like I said, another finished piece. Let me know what you think. It's always appreciated. Have a good day.